Hi guys, welcome in Advanced Excel training program and I am Sanjay Kumar, your trainer. So far in Advanced Function and Formula chapter, we completed array formulas and in calculation. Now we're going to learn advanced use of COUNTIF function, that is COUNTIFs. So COUNTIFs is an advanced version of COUNTIF function that allow you to use multiple criterias in the same function. So let's see that how you can use that on actual data. So here I have opened Excel 2013 and for this demo we have a small traveling table that shows the date of the travel, employee name, who traveled, their employee ID, their cell number and the country they visited and the group they belong to. And with the help of COUNTIF function we will count the number of visits a specific employee made in a country. So we will be using two criteria in COUNTIF function, and this is the beauty of COUNTIFs, that it allow you to use multiple criteria in the same function. So let's see that how it works. So I'm gonna type COUNTIFs. Here you can find this. Remember that we're going to use COUNTIFs because COUNTIFs only allow you to use multiple criteria in the same formula. So here in the syntax you would see the first section says the criteria range. The criteria range would be your data set which having the record set. So in this formula or in this instance we're going to use two criteria. One is to find the employee name and the second would be the country. So our first criteria range would be that column which will be having all the employee names. So here in column B we have an employee name. So I selected entire column B. You can also click and drag a specific range, but I want to select the entire column so I can make sure that if in the future we made some more entries in this table, so that count automatically in this formula. So I selected entire column. Now we're going to type comma, and here you would see the second thing in our syntax, that is a criteria. So criteria would be the employee name, the specific employee name that we want to keep, that we want COUNTIF function to find in this record set. So I am gonna select N10, that is this cell here, and now we're going to give the second criteria range. So I just type comma, and the second criteria would be our country. So we have to select that column which including all the country names in entire table. So I'm gonna select entire column E like this, and comma again. Specific criteria, yes, we want to have the country name that would be given here. I have selected, and you can give some more criteria range based on your requirements. For this demo I just going to give only two criterias, and I already have given that, so I'm gonna hit enter. You would see 0 because we don't have any employee name mentioned here, neither do we have any country. So I'm gonna type Mike is my employee name, and country. So first I'm gonna find it how many times Mike visited India. I'm gonna hit enter. 6 times. So this how that COUNTIFs function works. You can make it dynamic like this. So we have completed advanced function and formula chapter, and I'm gonna move entire Power Excel content in my complete Power Excel series, where you will get the fusion of formulas using much more advanced use of that, and how to use multiple formulas in the same cell, that you're going to learn in the Power Excel series that going to start in the next month. You would start finding updates on that by April. And in next chapter we're going to start the new chapter of table and power tips, where you will learn all the feature and aspect of designing table and using slicer into that. And in the meanwhile that we will be sharing some power tips to you, so that would be very handy and helpful. and we'll be discussing all the external links that you can use in your Excel table. So you're going to learn much more things in that would be very handy and helpful in your day-to-day life. So I hope this video are informative for you and helping you somewhere in your professional life. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel so you can get update on coming videos in this series. Thank you for watching this video. We will meet again.